What's up, guys? I'm Kaya Talise for those who are new to my channel and don't know me, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a fashion haul, but first, honey, let's get into this wig. Do you see me? You feel me? Yes, I'm feeling myself. Okay. Color tutorial on this, I'll drop that in the description box below. But without further ado, because that's not why we're here right now, but I'm just really feeling it. It's really coming off like, yes. We're here for another fashion review. So we're gonna jump straight into it. In this video, we're gonna be doing a side-by-side of the model and of me, and I'll leave my thoughts and how I feel. Now, this is my second time ordering from them, so you know the last review, I definitely like them, especially over Shein. This is Boohoo, if I didn't say that already. They already won me over. I needed some new things, and I've been waiting. This package has been in the living room for like a full week, so we about to jump straight into it because I just been waiting for me to put my hair on so I can record. So let's jump straight into the video, y'all. Y'all ready? Because I'm ready. This is the floral print luxe shirt dress. Okay, so it has these little strings right here. Yeah, not really. It's okay. It's a bit much off the orange hair, but it's workable. Cute little shirt dress. Okay, so next up, and I am definitely feeling this wrap dress that we have here. You can tie the bow either on the side or in front. This is the angel sleeve belted wrap midi dress. It's made of polyester with a tight bodycon type of feel. It's really good, guys. Maxi dress in navy. Definitely worth the money. Just a simple cotton, easy, everyday maxi dress. This is a size 16. It feels like good quality, simple cotton. It's down to the ankle. So yeah, I definitely like the way this dress fits. Okay, so about this dress, I like the material of it. It's not quite silk and it's not quite satin. I would have to actually look into the inside of the tag and see if there's a material listed. It has these drawstrings that you can pull to adjust. It does button up. This is a size 16. I probably could have got a 14 for it to fit a little better. It buttons all the way up and it stops mid-thigh. So I mean, it's okay. You know, I don't really know. I don't have much to say about it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. So, but for the price, I guess I love it. But as far as it being a staple in my wardrobe, Now I have on these netted cycle shorts that I actually love. These I got in a size 18 simply because every other size was already sold out. This is the only size that was available, and they're just like some biker shorts, but they are fishnet, so they're different. I definitely like them, and you would wear them with like, they're fishnet all the way, so you would definitely need to wear them with like a tunic. You would probably need to wear them with like a tunic or something that is longer. So for them to be an 18, I wish that they were a little longer, because I'll probably be wearing a longer shirt to actually hide my butt, since they are all fishnet. And then I'll have a picture of the model so you can see how she wore them. They don't seem that long, especially to be a size 18. I was expecting a little bit more length. So these are the basic double layer high waist biker shorts. They are definitely a thicker material. They were a little hard to get on, They'll hold you in a little more. These are a 16. If I would have got a 14, they probably would. Oh, no. Sorry. They probably would hold in the stomach area a little bit more, but their sizes go really fast. And then this tank top, it is just pretty basic. I got an orange one and a blue one. This is a size 14. It fits pretty good. I'm trying to see if I can actually wear it without a bra. But just a simple outfit. I actually have some shoes that I'm trying to match, because apparently orange is the color right now for me, huh? But yeah. Listen, let me tell you. That quarantine weight is shining through right now, okay? Anyway, this is the navy blue shirt. I actually have it on without a bra. So yeah, it does hold pretty good. And then these are another pair of biker shorts that aren't double material. They're cotton. This material is definitely lighter. I needed a smaller size so that it could be tighter. They're too loose. I don't really like this size. It's too much material going on in here right now. And about the tank tops, I like that they're ribbed. I don't know if you can see it. They're a ribbed pattern, but they hold pretty nice. So for the price, can't go wrong. Two simple little tank top. So this is the last thing that I have. The premium eyelash bodysuit. I definitely like the bodysuit. I'll probably wear it with jeans. And then some more biker shorts that have a lace trimming around both the top. It's lace around the top and the bottom. So both are a win for me. I probably would not wear these together. These shorts, since they're lacy, they are like super stretchy and a lot of cotton. Like the material is super thin, probably because they wouldn't put them on something more durable because of the delicate lace that's on the bottom. The bodysuit, it's nice. It has adjustable straps. Like the bra straps actually adjust. So if you need more room, you can actually adjust them to size. I should have done that before I put it on. So yeah, I like the color. I actually wanted a black one or a burgundy one, but it was sold out before I had a chance to order it. So overall, I'm satisfied with everything that I got this time around. Favorite piece will probably be this bodysuit. And then those durable, the thicker biker shorts. Those are really good. I like the quality of those. They're like a spandex, and it's definitely double layered. Like it's whatever, the lycra in them, it's really durable. It's really strong. They really hold you in. Only thing that I do not like about ordering from them or their site in general, things sell really fast. Their website like sells out extremely fast. So if you say if you have a cart and then like you leave it for 2 days, you can come back and that entire cart will be sold out. So if you find things on their site you need to be shopping for right now, if you're gonna shop, buy it, because it'll be gone and then you'll be upset. So a lot of stuff I ordered up a size because my size wasn't available, and I was thinking like I could make it work with the extra pounds that I have and things like that, but not so much. Depending on the material, if it doesn't hold you or suck you in, it's just a waste of material. But overall, I'm satisfied with everything that I have. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys found it useful. Let me know down below what you think. Give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes, fashion hauls, and tutorials and all that good stuff. Thanks. Bye. Catch you in the next one. Okay, so just a very quick update. Don't buy these. As you can see, the lace is already tearing in several places, and I've only worn these for a few hours. I didn't change after the video, but I wasn't doing much. Here's another one. The band intact, I guess, for what it's worth, but the band that is up top has already ripped and torn. Yeah, just a quick check-in since I still had it on and it's the same day and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm out of here for real, guys. Bye.